phone at school, Princess? Did she sleep early last night?
Sorry?
Did she sleep early?
It was before 9:30, so I guess it was early. Good morning, boy! Gising na ang buong family. Ready na din ako kasi may lakad din kami ni Dan. After niya pick up si Ayla. Drop. Yes, I'm cutting strawberries for you too, Alo. We'll bring it with us. Oh, what do you want, Bill Boy? What does my Bill Boy want? You want cereal? Yeah. Cocoa Pops. Okay, go sit down. Go sit down. How about Ayla? What do you want, Princess?
I don't know.
Yeah. What do you want, Princess? Ayla, do you want cut apple or whole apple? Just a whole tiny one like this. Do you want me to cut it? Okay.
Ayla.
It's coming,
Can
Alo.
I get a cup?
With sandwich. You want sandwich? Yeah? Sandwich? Yeah, she wants sandwich. Alright. That's right. Oh my gosh, that ducky.
He loves that now.
He loves it too much. He wakes up and he looks for it. So we have to like look for it in the bed.
Triceratops. Ayla. Ayla.
Oh. Only two daddy left. Oopsie.
Sit down before Ayla has it. Ayla, eat cereal. You want some milk?
Daddy, feed me.
Are you giving up? Why can't you feed yourself?
Today, what hair do you want?
Butterfly hair.
Butterfly.
It's a rainbow one.
Rainbow, okay. Rainbow butterfly. We'll see what we can do. Which color?
Oh, I want
That color? Pink, okay.
pink.
Yay! Alright, finish your food. Oopsie, sorry. Dilophosaurus? What is it? We don't have that dinosaur, Alo. Do you want to buy that one? Maybe tomorrow we can try and buy. What do you think, Ate?
Tomorrow.
No school tomorrow for you? It's Friday. And we can't go to the playground. I don't know, the weather might not be good and I don't want to take Alo to the playground either.
Only daddy?
Yeah, only with Daddy.
Only with your daddy.
Because Arlo wants me to climb up the slide and I can't.
Daddy's too fat to the big side.
Oh no.
Oh no, in about it.
Is he? He's gonna break it.
Yes.
The slide is for kids, not for adults.
That's true.
Even I am too big for it.
I am. My daddy's too big for it too.
Yeah.
My daddy's big.
You're getting big too?
My daddy's going taller.
You are.
That's right. Mom, Dad, one daddy's too big for me too.
That's too small for you. It's getting too small. You're getting big.
Why is it too small?
You're getting big because you eat your food all the time and you finish your food.
Mommy, it doesn't too small for me. I eat that stop.
But we'll keep that slide because baby
I think baby wants to lay down on the side.
lay down on it.
Maybe sleepy.
Really?
Sleepy side. That's not a bed.
It's not a bed.
Lay down on the side
Yeah.
and
baby.
side.
Yay.
That's fun. I can put her on the side.
Yeah.
Why go baby? The doctors.
Oh yeah, the doctor will check mommy's belly and mommy.
Why?
Just to make sure everything's okay.
I think they want milky.
Yeah?
Mom, you have dummy for baby.
No, the baby cannot eat gummies.
No.
She will eat baby food, okay? And you're gonna help me feed her?
No, it's in dummy.
Oh, dummy. Yes, yes. We need to buy dummy for her.
No, I see for her. Why should baby see it?
Sleep?
Yeah,
In the
her
pot.
dummy. I want my hair now.
Aww. I love your hair all the time. I love your hair so much. I think you have the best hair.
I think you have a best hair, Mom.
Aww, baby. Thank you. Ooh, largest dinosaur.
What the dinosaur? You have
Oh,
that?
Brachiosaurus.
What the dinosaur?
So big.
So big.
Brachiosaurus so big. Oh, good. We'll change your clothes and then you're ready.
Go back.
Alright, finish your food, please. I think you're gonna love this. Ready? Close your eyes. Ta-da! Open! So cute. You love butterflies? Yeah. Alright, finish that so I can change your clothes.
I want me new camera.
Mm.
I want new camera. I wash my hands.
Yes, please. Wash your hands. Thank you, baby. Yan yung before outfit niya. Nakatutu skirt siya, guys, sa bed. Hello, boy! Alright, palitan na natin. You okay, boy? You happy? I love you, boy. Okay, sit down, baby. Okay. Ready na ang dalawa. Nakabihis na. Nihintay na lang nitong isa si daddy niya. Tapos alis na sila. Tapos maya-maya din alis na kami ni Arlo. So, imimit ko na naman si Dan dun sa parking. And then, sabay kami punta sa hospital. Kasi meron akong doctor's appointment. You wanna show them? What is it, baby? Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Seriously, I love that. Beautiful colors. Yeah. Same as your top. Yeah. Very colorful. I like it. Alright, daddy's almost finished, baby. Go to the toilet and put your shoes on. Later, can we put socks on? We'll go upstairs and put socks, okay? Shoes? Yeah. Dalhin ko to sa taas kasi iiyak to. See you later. Hey, hug mama.
Take one more.
Love you. Baby? Baby? Baby, a kiss? Hello?
Where's mommy?
I know. Mommy's tummy's getting bigger. You wanna give Alo a quick hug before I take him upstairs? Oi! Ati's just giving... Okay, let's put socks on. Socks. Upstairs. Come on. Let's put socks quick. Where's your socks? I-document natin to para mabalikan natin. I wanna try... This is from... Laylabo. Regalo to sa akin ni Manay. Marami siya. And ngayon ko lang siya napansin. Recently lang, hindi ngayon. Na ang dami ko palang ganito. Para matry mo yung buong Laylabo. Ah, ito nakunan ko na. Bay 19. Ayun lang. Ayaw lang mag-spray. Alright, that's not bad. Oh, actually, that's not bad at all. Bay 19. Tingnan natin kung maglalast ba siya sa atin. Alright. Let's go. You alright, boy? Dito na kami. Nakita ko si Dan na, kakarating lang din ni Dan. Nauna ako saglit.
Hello.
I'm here at the front. I can see you. If you keep going.
I was about the car.
Because there's a park right next to me, so we can, up to you.
So go around.
Yeah. Just follow these people. Arlo's sleeping as well. So hopefully we can transfer him to the pram. I'm here. It's okay, Arlo. We're here, boy. I'll put you in the pram, okay? Daddy's here. Alright.
We'll go on your car.
Oh, my car. Okay. Sige.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oo nga pala. Okay. I'll just move. I'll adjust the seat for you. Uy. It's okay. It's okay. Daddy's driving. I'm not taking you out yet. Sorry, boy. So, imimit pala namin yung doktor ngayon. So, hindi midwife, doctor. So, iba to kasi public na nga ako, di ba ngayon, guys? Kasi wala kaming wala kaming private cover. Actually, we paid for the private cover for a long time. Tapos, we stopped paying for it kasi nga wala na kaming planong mag-anak.
Red light camera and speed camera.
Okay. Nabuntis man ako, so we have to go public. Kasi kapag nag-private ka dito, kailangan bayad mo yung pregnancy cover mo ng at least 12 months. Tapos, I think we stopped paying for it like 6 months before I got pregnant. So, we have to go public.
We're half an hour early, just waiting 10 minutes.
Yeah. And then, may good news kami actually. Kasi dito sa Adelaide, I'm not sure kung whole Australia siya.
Hi, Daniel. It's Danielle.
You're connected to my car. Ang lakas, no? So, dito merong midwifery group. Tawag, oh my gosh. Sana tama ako, midwifery. Wait, sa guys ha. Tama ako, midwifery group practice. This is for, again, public patients. Natanggap ako actually sa midwifery group practice where you get the same midwife all throughout, which is good. Kasi yun yung nakasanayan ko sa private kasi obviously you get the OB, tapos same midwife. Pero kapag nanganak ka na, iba na yung midwife mo. Bali, iba yung midwife kapag kinikita mo yung OB mo, but she's the same all throughout, like antenatal care. Pero kapag nandun ka na sa labor room, ibang midwife dun. Kasi ibang midwife yung naka-assign dun. Pero you get the same OB. With the midwifery group, which ako natanggap ako, which I'm very happy. Good news yun sa amin. Kasi you get the same midwife all throughout. So next appointment ko, after nitong doktor, is the same midwife na. So that's very good kasi alam mo yun, familiar ka na sa midwife mo, tapos mas personalized din yung care. Pero again, hindi lahat na-accept dun. Sabi nung midwife ko nung una, yung unang kinita ko, sabi niya, mas high yung chance mo kasi very good yung previous pregnancies mo, all normal. Tapos, may tahi ako kay Ayla, konting-konti lang. Tapos kay Arlo, wala akong tahi at all. Kasi nakikinig talaga ako, guys. Kahit gaano kasakit nakikinig ako kung kailan mag-push or kailan hindi pa mag-push. Yeah, and very good din yung recovery ko. Yun yung sabi nung midwife sa akin. Kasi bihira lang daw kasi nakakatanggap nun eh. Tinawagan niya ako actually last week na natanggap ako sa midwifery group practice. And then, Ate is in school, yeah. So, next time na i-visit ko siya, punta muna ako sa hospital to meet her. But after that, and sa sunod-sunod na, siya na yung pupunta sa bahay namin. So, isa yun sa mga okay na okay. Kasi kapag malapit ka ng mga anak, mas mabilis na yung antenatal care mo, diba? So, sila yung pupunta sa bahay, which is very good. Lalo na ngayon na tingnan nyo, kailangan ko isama si Dan kung wala akong maiwan kay Arlo kasi syempre sinong magbabantay kay Arlo. But ang daming options ng antenatal care dito sa Adelaide, but yan for me is the best. Like you get the same midwife all throughout and they go to your house. And then after childbirth din, they get to visit you in the first 6 weeks at home with the new baby. So, as in very good talaga yan. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Punta na kami doon.
And you can actually hear baby's heartbeat and the placenta in the background.
Ah.
So the heartbeat is the sharp.
Yeah.
And there's a swoosh in the background as well.
Yeah,
That's your placenta. So there's different noises.
Yeah.
Is the heartbeat all normal, like the
The
rhythm?
heartbeat looks
Okay.
good. So anything between 110 and 150 is normal, and yours is sitting at around 138.
What's normal for an adult?
Less than 100. So babies run faster than adults.
Okay.
do.
I get checked up today, that's all, so I see where I'm at.
Oh. Beautiful. So about 138 for Bubby.
We are done! And ang daming nagawa, guys. I had my whooping cough injection, and I had my flu injection as well. So dalawang arms ko may mga injection. Yung sa whooping cough yung nangangalay. But okay naman, makakapag-drive naman tayo. Before we go home, we will go to where, Daddy Boy?
Butter and toast.
Butter and toast. They sell donuts and they have ubi flavor.
Hello! Hello!
Where's Alo? It's
Where's
me.
Alo?
Where's Alo? Hi, buyag buyag. He is a happy boy this morning. Very happy. Daddy kiss. Ah, fight daddy. Aw, sweetie pie. Nandun yung butter and toast. Lakad lang konti. Ayan na, butter and toast. Looks good. Got our donut. Arlo's very happy. Arlo, where are you? Oh my gosh, Arlo. Oh my goodness. Bahay na tayo guys, pero mamaya na tayo lumabas kasi si Dudong tulog and gusto kong kumain ng donut. Parang ang sasarap ng mga donut nila dun. Wala lang silang malaking ube, but meron silang maliit na ube. So kinuha ako na agad. So we got 3 here. I have salted caramel, ube na maliit, at saka Nutella for Arlo. Kainin ko lang tong ube. Gusto ko lang kumain kasi gusto kong humiga din. Wala akong maayos na tulog kagabi. So pag transfer ko si Arlo, higa na din ako kasama siya. Nakikita iba? Yung ilaw ko lang is yung screen ng aking car. Ay, ito pala. Sorry. Ayan, may ube talaga sa ilalim. Kita nyo? Hindi ganun katamis yung ube. Sarap niya in fairness. Ready? Yummy! Kakagising niya lang. Ooh! Hinubaran ko lang kasi it's gonna be messy. Yummy?
It's not chocolate.
Chocolate! Yes! Oh. That is so good, Alo.
I want TV. I want TV.
Watch TV?
Yes,
Please.
please. I want that one. That one. Baby.
Baby? Sus, mukha mo, Alo.
That one. Cheese. The egg.
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 What is it?
Egg.
Egg.
This red one. Red one. The
Yay.
sauce. The cheese. Amen. I feel. Let's get it on. The cat was. The baby. A baby.
Natulog naman ako sa date. Mga 30 minutes siguro. Hindi ako nag-vlog kahapon, but nag-crave ako ng nachos kagabi. Magpapa-take away sana ako kay Dan, kaya lang sabi niya, sama na lang tayo. So kaming buong pamilya, nagpunta kami sa Mexican restaurant to have nachos. And yung sa Mexican restaurant na pinupuntahan namin, katabi niya lang is Aldi. So nagpunta kami Aldi, guys. We got these from Aldi. Di kami nag-shop normally doon. But we got Oreo wafer. Ito si Dan yung kumuha nito. Open na. Si Dan din kumuha niyan. Ito si Ayla kumuha nito. Ito ako kumuha nito kasi feeling ko magugustuhan ko siya. Na may mga layers kasi siya. May wafer. Kaya lang very chocolatey na bottom part niya. Pero masarap pa din siya. Very crispy. Coconut rolls. It's very crispy. Masarap to. Tinikman ko na. So yung mga pinili ko kagabi, tinikman ko na agad siya kagabi on our way home. Bumili kami ng fruit rolls. Ito yung paborito ni Ayla lately. I-try lang namin yung sa Aldina brand kasi mas mura siya kaysa sa binibili namin. Ay, ang cute mo, boy. Parang talagang daddy mo kumain. Agoy, nangangalay yung shoulders ko, boy. Wait, sa... Ay, yan pa naman yung mangalay yung ano left. Wait. Do you wanna try the fruit roll? Do you wanna try this fruit roll? Yes. Open. Say please. Try natin to anong tsura nito. Yung kinain niya guys, yung gitna lang. Chocolate. I'm telling lies. Open your mouth. Yummy. What do you say to mama? You're welcome, boy. So yeah, pag pupunta kami doon, bumibili kami nito. Kasi mas mura na version siya nung Arnold's ata yung na brand ng mga teddies. Tapos may sprinkles na siya. Ito, I don't think meron siya sa Kohl's. Siguro meron, hindi lang namin nakita. 10 bags ng Oreos. May na kami. Na-pick up na namin si ate. Magluluto ako ng pinakbit, guys. I-prepare ko lang yung ingredients. Hindi ako madalas nagpipinakbit kasi ang daming ingredients. Tapos, ang lalaki kasi ng mga gulay dito. Like, ito na yung pinakamaliit na talong na nahanap ni Dan. Ang laki niyan, guys. So, nasasayangan ako. Kasi ako lang yung kumakain eh. And walang sitaw. So, I'll use green beans. Okay lang ba yun? 3 okra lang talaga ba? Princess. Is that from Mommy's boo-boo? Oh, baby. Toilet paper na binasa niya. Oh, it's a tissue. Thank you. I feel better now. Thank you very much. I love you. You're the sweetest girl. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of my ate. Oh, okay. Thank you. Sus, ate. Iwan ko na lang. Ay, love you so much. Huh? I don't need it. Thank you, baby. But thank you so much for looking after me, baby. Oh, my love.
Mommy, I want to put in.
Sure. Put in it. I love you. Mwah.
What is this, Mommy?
Yeah, it's pork. Don't touch it.
It just ate a snake. Mama, eat it. It's lolly.
No, it's not lolly, baby. It's raw as well. You can't eat this. This is not safe. What is it? Agad, diba? 5:07 pa lang, may dinner na ako. Daddy's dinner, steak, mashed potato, and corn. Tapos na kami kumain. Binili ako din daw ng milk tea. Hindi ako mahilig sa milk tea, guys, pero alam niyo naman. Meron tayong baby sa ating belly na kung ano-ano lang pinag-gusto lately. Sarap ng dinner ko. Pero hindi ko naubos yung rice ko. Kasi, ininom ako nito. Oh, you're showing the guys? Daddy, she's showing the guys your collection. Daddy buys stuff like this. He collects like pins.
Oh.
Ano po ba yung... it's not a pin. Cards. Kung ano lang pinagkukolekta na Dan. Basketball, football. Hindi ko alam kung saan niya yan binili. Mas madalas siyang may package kasi binibili niya kung saan-saan or pinipick up niya sa marketplace. Baka may mag-contact sa inyo gamit yung personal Facebook ko. Hindi ako yun, guys. Siya yun. Nagkukontak ko. Nagbibenta kayo ng mga cards.
Yeah.
Titingnan niya sa marketplace. This is from a small business here in Australia.
Yeah.
Yeah, from a Filipina.
Filipina.
Are you-
Filipina.
I am Filipina.
Filipina.
Like you. You're half Filipina and Australian and Italian.
Oh.
Oh. Yeah, you have a lot, baby. You have 3.
Teriyaki.
I have 1. I'm Filipina and that's it. And Daddy's Australian and half Italian.
Me? My daddy?
Yeah, you're like Daddy and Mommy.
About Barrow?
Arlo is like you. So he's got 3 as well. This is from Blissful Bits.
Oh.
Ah.
Mommy.
Oh my gosh, ang bango. Smell.
Oh.
Smells good, right?
Wait.
Oh, custom photo magnet. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh, Daddy. Oh, this is, look at all these magnets for our fridge, but it's a family photo.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's 1.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, that is really good.
Yeah.
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 They are pretty good.
Ayla.
Very good.
Thank you.
Aw.
Watch out for Arlo.
That is very, very good. Guys, check out Blissful Bits because this is such a good idea. We have a lot of magnets on our fridge because if we like display Ayla's work talaga. But this is good because it's personalized. It's a photo of us. Aww. Aww, thank you. Wow. Oh my gosh, that's one of my favorites. Show Daddy that go. Show Daddy. Daddy will love that one. Oh, thank you. Ay, ang ganda. I love it. Ililive ko yung link niya sa baba.
I love both.
You love both?
Yeah, I love this one. I love this one.
Aww. Oh my gosh, I love that one. So this is when we were in Bali.
Oh, and that one smells bad.
Did it smell bad? It didn't smell bad. This is when we were in Flinders. And Flinders. And this is Port Lincoln. Yes, Philippines. Oh, so cute. Philippines, Bohol. Look.
I don't know. This is fat.
It's not a rat.
It's fat.
It's a tarsier.
Oh,
Remember?
is he sleeping?
No. Look at the eyes. Really big. That's not sleeping.
He doing?
Just resting like this.
Why is sleeping like this?
Maybe he's tired.
What tired?
And look at you guys. Oy, thank you, sis. Ang